Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best robotic window cleaner on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mention, check the description box below. Number 5. Robotic Robotic Window Cleaner. The Robotic Robotic Window Cleaner is a revolutionary cleaning robot that offers a range of features that make window cleaning a breeze. Its key features include automatic window frame detection, anti-falling control, strong vacuum absorption, and an infrared remote control. The Robotic uses cutting-edge technology to detect window frames, ensuring thorough and safe cleaning. Its anti-falling control prevents the robot from unexpectedly falling from windows, regardless of its height. The Robotic's strong vacuum absorption ensures it stays securely attached to the window's surface, allowing it to handle various types of glass. The included infrared remote control allows users to easily guide the robot, start or stop cleaning sessions, and change cleaning modes from the comfort of their couch. The Robotic also offers multiple cleaning functions, including a plan path gyroscope, automatic single-side cleaning, and automatic return to starting position. These high-tech features make window cleaning a convenient and efficient task, making it a must-have for households with tall or hard-to-reach windows. Number 4. Aliexpress YW509 Robotic Window Cleaner. The Aliexpress YW509 Robotic Window Cleaner is a revolutionary solution for window cleaning. With a 380V power supply, it can handle heavy-duty tasks, leaving windows spotless and gleaming. Originating from mainland China, the YW509 is a trusted brand known for its quality and reliability. Its working voltage is 24V, ensuring thorough cleaning without electrical hazards. Equipped with a powerful 500 mAh battery, it can operate for extended periods without frequent recharges. The YW509 features smart navigation, remote control, multiple cleaning modes, safety features like anti-fall sensors, and time-saving capabilities. It can adapt to large, small, or irregularly shaped windows, and its safety features like anti-fall sensors and a backup battery ensure peace of mind. Number 3. Sunsmy Robotic Window Cleaner. The Sunsmy Robotic Window Cleaner is a convenient and efficient solution for cleaning windows. With a 5.5-meter cord, it can reach almost any window in your home, regardless of its height or location. With a power rating of less than 800 W, it is suitable for use worldwide and is made from high-quality plastic and metal. C-certified. It ensures safety and quality standards. The sleek beige design complements any home decor. The user-friendly device is easy to use, with a backup battery for 30 minutes in case of a power outage. The lightweight and maneuverable robot weighs just 0.95 kilograms, and it can handle dirt, grime, and smudges with ease. Charging is quick, taking only 1 to 2 hours. Number 2. Robotic Robotic Window Cleaner. The Robotic Robotic Window Cleaner is a revolutionary tool for efficient and effective window cleaning. It features a 5-meter cord, allowing for easy cleaning of various window sizes and positions. The device operates with minimal power consumption, making it cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Its wide voltage range allows it to be used with various power supplies, making it suitable for different regions and power systems. The Robotic Robotic Window Cleaner is made from a durable mixing material, ensuring longevity and reliability. The CL1 model is known for its exceptional performance, and it has been rigorously tested and certified by C. Rose and Al. Its compact design allows it to access hard-to-reach areas, and its built-in emergency power supply system ensures safe return to its base in case of power outages or interruptions. Robotic, a reputable brand in the industry, is known for its commitment to quality and innovation. Originating from mainland China, the Robotic Robotic Window Cleaner is built with the latest innovations. Number 1. Robotic N361 Robotic Window Cleaner. The Robotic N361 Robotic Window Cleaner is a modern and convenient solution for maintaining clean windows. It features a 5-meter cord for flexibility, low power consumption 800 W, a wide voltage range 110V-240V, and a durable mixing material. The cord allows for easy access to higher or awkwardly positioned windows, ensuring no corner is left untouched. The N361 is eco-friendly and cost-conscious, consuming less than 800 W of power during operation. It is compatible with various electrical systems, making it suitable for use in different countries or regions, without the need for voltage converters. The N361 is part of the Robotic family, known for its commitment to quality, durability, and innovation in window cleaning solutions. Puricai is a reputable brand known for excellence in window cleaning products. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.